Hey everyone, how's it going? And today I'm going to show you guys how to set up Google Family Link on PC. So what you want to do is search for Google Family Link. As you can see, this will pop up. So we want to click on this one, and from there, just scroll down. As you can see, they're showing all of the facilities that they have. So you just need to click on sign in over here. As you can see, it says, does your child have a Google account? If yes, then you'll press on yes. If no, then you'll press on no. Let's say they do have an account. So it says that open settings, which means you want to go to settings. Like if it's your Gmail, just head over to Gmail, and then as you can see, it says go to people, then parental controls. So what you need to do, we click on this and then go to manage your Google account. After that, as you can see, it says go to people, so which is here, people and sharing. And then as you can see, it says your family on Google, and there is nothing else. So you need to click on get started right over here. As you can see, it says set digital ground. All these things can be done. So you want to click on create a family group, and then you want to confirm. From there, it's going to basically ask you for your family members' email accounts, and you need to put them, you need to specify who's the child and what sort of limitations or restrictions you want to put. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.